I'm Howard Phelps, HPE Channel Manager with Synergy Associates, a Tier 1 distributor who recently celebrated 20 years with the HPE Renew program. This is a special pricing program that you can leverage now for better ROI. Have you ever been interested in a solution, but unfortunately you couldn't afford it due to tight budget constraints? Or perhaps you're seeing shipping delays from your normal sourcing programs with long lead times or back orders? These are two areas when Synergy can help, and the solution is the HPE Renew program. This is a worldwide program that started in 1981, boasting a track record of over 30 years of credibility in satisfying customer needs. Renew consists of current models using the latest technology and sometimes one generation back, and the Renew product warranty is identical to that of new products. So where does Renew product come from? Let me be clear right up front. Renew products are not refurbished or repaired defective gear. These products have never been even in a production environment. The majority of the solutions are supplied by the HPE Demo Group. They receive products from trade shows, such as Discover or Atmosphere, and other customer-facing events. Proof of concept at a customer site is another source. HPE equipment from their own internal testing and compatibility teams, non-defective customer returns, and canceled orders. Essentially, products that have, for one reason or another, left HP or Aruba ownership and can no longer be represented as new. Even factory overstock, never been opened, never left the factory, will sometimes be designated as Renew. Special note, approximately 80% of the inventory in the HPE Renew program is less than 12 months old. And as new products are introduced, it typically takes 3 to 6 months before they are available in the Renew program. So here's a quick look at the remanufacturing process in the HPE facility. There's an incoming inspection, reconditioning and assembly with genuine HPE parts. All of the latest firmware and hardware updates are installed. A new serial number is assigned, which is essential for the new HPE warranty. And after all that, quality checks and testing, comes the final product inspection. And then finally, HPE adds an R to the original part number to identify the product as a genuine part of the program and not just used or aftermarket refurb product. This is a fully warranty part of the HPE inventory system. The HPE Certificate of Quality is an HPE document that is shipped with the product to further validate the program, and a copy of that certificate is included in the links in our Discover profile. If you want to learn more about this manufacturing process from Hewlett-Packard Enterprise, check out the link for the HPE-produced white paper in our Discover profile. So here's our Renew line card, and as you can see, the program includes ISS Volume compute, including ProLiant Gen9 and Gen10 servers, for hyperconverged, high performance, and vSAN projects, and server options like memory and processors. Aruba Networking, including wireless and switches, plus commercial storage products like MSA arrays, plus hard disks and SSDs. So who buys Renew? Fortune 50 companies, SMB companies buy Renew. Healthcare and financial markets lead the pack. Regulated systems in top-ranked hospitals and medical institutions. Banks and financial wealth advisors all buy Renew. Next is manufacturing, including aerospace and machining industries, plus communications and entertainment. Then logistics, transportation, trucking, distribution, and transit authorities. And SLED, coming in at 15% of sales with over 100 accounts in 20 states. So let's talk about the benefits of HPE Renew. It's an awesome value for the money. Discounted pricing while still enjoying product and support integrity. Leadership will praise your attention to the bottom line and looking at that ROI. Certified HPE quality and identical to new warranty. Plus, often better availability. When the solution is back-ordered on the new side, we may have the Renew version sitting on our shelves in inventory. Renew is an environmentally friendly product. Why not support your companies and your communities' green initiatives? From time to time, you may need replacement parts, And Synergy Associates is an HPE authorized distributor in the USA and Latin America. When you purchase HPE replacement parts from Synergy, you can be confident that the parts are certified HPE genuine replacement parts and not counterfeit, inferior, refurbished, or even stolen. But why work with Synergy Associates? We've delivered value in the channel for over 20 years. We have amazing certified sales and technical team at our distribution center and corporate office in Minnesota. We're also a Microsoft licensing partner. We can ship orders the very same day, and we offer free configuration. We also have auto sales report daily to HPE so that HP reps and VAR reps all get order credit. All sales count towards HPE and Aruba numbers. In closing, please visit our website, synllc.com/discover. And also check out our links in our Discover profile for more information on us, the HPE Renew program, and the Genuine HPE Replacement Parts program. And please, don't forget to ask about Renew as an option when searching for the best business solution. Thanks for your time and attention, and stay safe.